In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload images in Roblox. So simply you just open your browser and open your Roblox. Okay. And follow the tab bar showing you to create option. Press on to open your Roblox creator. Okay, alright, now open this. As you can see the link create.roblox.com. okay, then I'm get this interface. Press on this option and I'm get development item. Follow the top bar showing you to decel or image. When you select to image option and you get this option, I'm not select images option, I'm just select this option. To upload assist to maximum number of file one item and format JPG, PNG, TGA, BMP, and maximum per file size is 20 MB. Press on to upload. Press on to open and write name. Press on to upload, and that's it.